construction going on, repairing going on Jhakri Falls pool. Just around Jhakri Falls. Hello, where are you? I've been wondering if I'm going to stay. यहाँ चाहिँ हिजो कसरी खुट्टा छिरी पठायो है? कसरी खुट्टा छिरी पठायो? Pool is being repaired. And the time is about like 7 p.m. It's still being repaired. The pool of Jhakri Falls, Gangtok, way to Rangka. This is the pool, and it's been very hard for this pool. It's been many years since this pool was built. It's been more than 50 years, so the government had to repair it. So actually this is being repaired temporarily. Just beside this pool, new one will be constructed, but it will take about a year to construct a new pool. So this is for temporary use. It's being repaired. Excuse me. Excuse me. And look at the people doing hard work for us citizens, for drivers and passengers. They are repairing the pool for us.
One day it's gonna collapse.
So one day it has to collapse, but thank God they are repairing it. So the new pool is being constructed right here. So this is only temporary. It's gonna be finished after maybe 1 or 2 days. It's just for temporary use. So that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and this is to inform all the people of Sikkim or outside of Sikkim that the pool is being repaired. It'll take 2 to 3 days for this pool to be repaired and kick in. So this is just to inform you all. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Have a good night. Bon appetit. Love you all.